Okay, so for our final video, we're going to highlight two social media posts that we created. Once again, there'll be varying posts based upon the region that we're sending these out to, but there's a couple things we want to highlight within both of these posts. To begin with, media critic journalist Walter Lippmann stresses the importance of images in affecting a person's attitude due to the way images are more likely to be recognized and ignite emotional bonds. So the images that we picked, we wanted to have a universal feel where anybody could find a correlation to or relation to, but also wanted to make it specific to the region that we're advertising within this post. So to start, we have a simple message: stop the hate, peace for all, and then hashtag peace for all to have a hashtag along with the social media post. What you're going to see within this first post is the one we were going to use in the United States. We have our Peace for All logo once again, which is important because we want to create a cohesive brand from the various ways we're going to be advertising this. You can see the universal cross out hate logo, universal logo of peace, which is a dove, and then a culturally familiar image of an Americanized culture at a soccer game, shaking hands. So even though we have those universal imagery of the cross out the hate and the peace, or the dove representing peace, we also have some local or Americanized culture within our logo, as well as with the image that we chose. Next, we're going to show the social media post that we're going to use in India. Once again, you're going to see very similar imagery here because we want to match the universal images as well as with the local cultural images. Same message: stop the hate, peace for all, and then hashtag peace for all. So using our peace for all logo, once again, though this one is specific to the region of India, we have our cross out hate, stop hate logo there, as well as the dove representing peace. So once again, Peace for All logo, universal imagery of the crossed out hate, as well as the dove. Then on the bottom there, instead of the handshakes that we had on the previous post for the United States, we have the children once again showing the imagery of Namaste, which in the culture of India shows respect. And then one final thing that we want to point out is social media images are used to display items, products, and services. So once again, our product is going to be Peace for All. These images are used to track the eyes of viewers. Social media users must consider that you only have a sliver of a moment to catch the eyes of a potential client. Using images that use cultural familiar visuals are helpful. And that's from a graphic design expert, Robin Landa. And what's important there is cultural familiarity with the logos and colors and the images that are used within both of these posts, but then also some universal imagery that right away, no matter before we see the text, we have stop hate, peace, and then we see some localized logo and a localized image to help draw that region's attention to the post.